Are you tired of living with joint pain? Does every step feel heavier than the last? Do stairs, walks, or even playing with your grandchildren feel like climbing a mountain? If so, you are truly lucky that this video has found you. Because today, you will discover a simple natural remedy that has given countless people instant relief without medicines, without costly treatments, and without side effects. If this video hadn't reached you, you might have gone on believing pain was just part of getting older. But now, you have the chance to learn the truth, that nature has already given us a way to calm the fire in your joints. And if you give me just 5 minutes of your precious time, your life could change. Don't skip a second, because at the end I'll share the exact way you must prepare this drink to get results that last. But before we begin, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from, and what time is it right now? I read every single message, and your story matters. And if you care about simple, science-backed tips that keep life after 60 strong and joyful, subscribe to Golden Rest Guide and click the bell so you never miss the next gentle change that could transform your health. So, why do so many seniors suffer from constant joint pain? Doctors often say it's arthritis or that the fluid in your joints is low. But the truth is deeper. It's inflammation. Over the years, the body produces more inflammatory chemicals. They attack the smooth lining of your joints, make the cartilage weaker, and send constant pain signals to your brain. Painkillers like ibuprofen only switch off those signals for a while, but long-term, they can damage your liver, your kidneys, and your stomach. The real solution is to calm the inflammation itself. That's where today's remedy comes in. It uses 4 powerful, natural ingredients that work in harmony to quiet inflammation, relax your joints, and bring back mobility. And the best part, you can prepare it in just minutes at home. Ingredient 1, turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds on Earth. Scientists have found it blocks the same pain enzymes that ibuprofen targets, but without the dangerous side effects. Ingredient 2, coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in MCTs, which not only calm inflammation but also help your body absorb turmeric far more effectively. Without fat, turmeric's power is wasted. With coconut oil, it's unlocked. Ingredient 3, ginger. Ginger contains gingerols, which block prostaglandins, the chemicals that trigger swelling, stiffness, and pain in the joints. This is why ginger is used for centuries in Ayurveda and now confirmed by modern research. And ingredient 4, black pepper. A tiny pinch is all you need. Black pepper contains piperine, which boosts turmeric's absorption by up to 2,000%. Without it, turmeric passes quickly. With it, turmeric becomes a powerful healer inside your body. Now, how do you combine them the right way? Here's the recipe. Boil 1 cup of water and pour it into a mug. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a half teaspoon of ginger powder, or if you have fresh ginger, grate about 1 inch and drop it in. Sprinkle a pinch of black pepper. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of organic virgin coconut oil. Stir well, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then sip slowly. This golden drink allows the natural compounds to unlock fully and flow into your body. But timing matters. If your pain is worst in the morning, drink it after waking up. If your pain builds through the day, try it in the evening. At first, you can drink it twice a day for stronger relief. Later, once a day is enough for most people. Avoid common mistakes. Don't use refined coconut oil. Only organic virgin oil has the real compounds. Don't skip the black pepper. Without it, turmeric won't absorb properly. Don't gulp it down quickly. Sip it slowly so the compounds mix with your saliva and digest better. Many of my patients, after just a week, notice their knees, hips, and fingers moving more freely, stiffness melting away, and sleep improving because pain no longer kept them awake. So here's my invitation to you. Try this for 7 days. Just 1 simple drink, twice a day, made with ingredients already in your kitchen. Notice how your body feels, how your steps change, how your mornings begin, how your confidence returns. If this message has touched you, type the word relief in the comments. Your 1 word may inspire another senior who is silently struggling with pain. And please, share this video with a friend or family member who deserves to walk strong again. And don't forget, subscribe to Golden Rest Guide so we can keep walking this path of gentle, science-backed wisdom together.